What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to achieve this look. If you are like me and your favorite color is blue, then I know you're gonna keep on watching. And if you are just a subscriber, then I know you're gonna keep watching because you love me. So just stick around to see how I achieve this look. Okay, so I'm taking this blue color and I'm just going to start off by packing it onto the corners of my eye. I'm sorry I said that so ratchet, but I'm putting it on the corners of my eye, and once I'm satisfied with how that looks, I'm just going to drag the blue onto my lid and then out into my crease. I don't want my lid and my crease to be as dark as my corners. Then I'm taking some blue eyeshadow and I'm just putting that on my waterline. I'm sorry you can't see some of it. I didn't know that I was out of frame. But this brush is way too damn big to be doing this. The next thing I'm going to do is just take some blue eyeliner and just line my eyes. I wasn't really putting a lot of thought into this look. I mean, the black probably would look good. I mean, you could really use whatever color you want to, but I'm just going with blue. Now I'm going to use this black liner for my waterline and just add blue eyeshadow on top of that. The black is just there to kind of help the shadow stick. Then that's pretty much it. I put my lashes on off camera. I am going to add a little highlight to my brow bone, and then that's pretty much it for this look. If you like it, please let me know in the comment section. And you see the wig, if you want to know how I colored it, thumbs up the video and I will post the video on how to do this exact color. Thanks for tuning in to my videos. If you have not already, please go and subscribe now. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.